everyone and welcome. So in today's video is the Ipsy Ultimate. Ipsy Ultimate is $50 a month plus shipping. I get all three Ipsys. They have three different tiers. This is the most expensive one. You're supposed to get 8 full-size items and 4 samples. If that sounds fun to you, there is a link in the description. So let's get to it. So this box is the Ipsy's theme is full bloom, and unfortunately they do not send me a whole bunch of information about this box anymore. So I'm gonna have to go from the website. So the first thing I'm gonna pull out of here is my bag. I do like this bag. I was looking forward to it. I like the little fake wooden things on it, and it's a nice sized bag. It's really pretty. I like it. It actually might be big enough to put my stuff in it this time. But this is the inside of it. It does say Ipsy on the inside as well. So the first item I'm going to pull out is by Yinsa. It's a CBD superfood dual cleansing oil. I have never heard of this brand. I'm not even sure what a cleansing oil does. It is really kind of pretty bottle though. Let's get a little bit out and see if it has. Oh, that's more than a little bit. That's like a lot. It does have a smell. It's more of an aloe oil smell, and I got way too much, so I have oil everywhere. It's great. I don't know if I've got anything to get that off with. Fun of watching Snow unbox is watching her make a mess of herself and everywhere else, because I am not a beauty influencer at all, so now I just have all this oil everywhere. I'm sure that you use it to cleanse, or it says cleansing oil. Do you just wash it off? I don't even know how you'd use a cleansing oil. It's a dual makeup remover and cleanser in one. I would imagine, apply onto dry face and gently massage to break down makeup and impurities. Add water to activate dual phase. Rinse thoroughly with warm water. So I guess I gotta go wash my arms and my hands because it's got the oil everywhere. So I don't have a price for it or price point. Since they no longer send me the insert, it doesn't actually give me a price point online. I did bring it up so I can look over the items that it says I got if I need additional information. But we're going to go with, that's a full-sized item. So let's try to get most of the full-sized items first. So the next one I know is a full-sized is the Real Her Ultimate Glow Getter Cheek Trio. It's cruelty-free, gluten-free, and paraben-free, so that's nice. I have no idea what this looks like because I didn't open the box, and to be fair, I can't get it open. So there is my second fail. Not that I'm surprised at this point. This is just gone from bad to probably worse. Oh, please tell me that's marble. Oh, it is. It is a marble looking container. This is what it looks like on the inside. It does have a little mirror. I'm trying not to show my whole room because it's not that pretty out there, but there we go. We're gonna go. Okay, it had plastic over it. We're gonna go on in with this goddess. I don't know how that would be a blush. It looks like a gold and blessed, which looks like a blush. And I'll swatch them on the back of my oiled hand here and then show you. So it's right here. The goddess is the shimmery one, and right above that is blessed. They'll go fine with my skin tone since you can barely see them on camera. So I have no idea what price point that is, but it is a blush. And I'm pretty sure that's full sized. The next full sized item that I'm going to pull out is by Ciate. And it's a triple shot mascara. And it's also vegan. So the packaging's really pretty. I would imagine that's a full-sized mascara. Last time I checked, that's what full-size mascaras look like. The brush is pretty. Why did I smell mascara? Smell like all mascara. I will try it, and I will get back with you on how well that was. It probably won't be for a while. I work, it seems, insanely nonstop. The next item that I'm probably sure is a full-size item is by Macanish. I don't know. And it says it's in the color Hero. And I don't know if Hero means Hero is black or Hero is a color. It is an eye pencil and it is a crayon. And it does look close to black. I swatched it there. And the other one is black from the last unboxing. So it is either a really deep charcoal or blue or black. So I like getting different kinds of pens. So that's 4 full size. I'm going to go with that. This is also a full size. It's by Levada. It says it is a purifying facial exfoliator or facial mask and exfoliator 2-in-1. I'm not going to go ahead and open it all the way. It did look like it was like a funky face color. Let's just open it all the way. I'll probably use it. Yeah, it looks like it's like a brown. Oh, it is. It's like a scrub. Oh yeah, it's got some scrubbies in it. Yep. Yep. It's a brown, but it's got like a little bit of micro scrubbies in it, so that'll be nice. I'm using one currently, but it's almost gone. So that's 5 full size, 6, 7, probably this one's 8. So I'll go ahead and pull out this one, which I was kind of nice at getting. It is an eyeshadow palette called Enlighten by Ivy. Ivy. I thought it was really a pretty colored. I saw it like in my photo. But these are the colors. It does have a mini mirror on it. But I'm not going to show my whole mirror room here. The greens are kind of off for me. I probably will use all the neutrals on the top and the pinks. I'll go ahead and swatch one shimmer and one matte. So I can't really tell. These look like glitters. Those look like shimmers. I don't even know anymore which ones are mattes. Does it tell me? Dragon fruit? No, not really. Not really. It just says it's an eyeshadow palette. It doesn't show me which glitter or anything. It says it has 20 colors. And it doesn't even tell me the breakdown. So it doesn't tell me which ones are shimmers and which ones are glitter or not. So we'll go in here with Golden Light and see what that is. That looks like it's a glitter. A pressed like. We'll go in with Spa Day, and Dragon Fruit. Why not? So, I got them on my finger. We'll get up here. This one is Dragon Fruit. This is Spa Day. And then this is the other one I said I was going to swatch, Wreath or whatever. So they are very pretty and very pretty pigmented. You might have to go over a couple times with the darker shades. Like if you really want to get that vibrant color. So that's nice. Most palettes that size are about $30 to $40. So I'm pretty sure I've already topped out at well over 50 right at the moment. The next full-size item is by Trishik, and it's a mini lip glaze set. I do like the colors in here. They are rather small, but being a 4-pack would probably still make it a full-sized. And they're just mini lippies. That didn't have much color. Let's try one that might have more color. The colors are Shell Beach, Sheer, Paris Pink, Georgia Peach, and English Rose. Let's look at the English Rose, because I don't wear a lot of lippies for a lot of reasons, because I don't pull off lipstick very well. Well, that's a pretty color right there. It's really hard. I like the lighter color lipsticks, and you don't get them very often in these boxes. You get lots of reds, and that's pretty. And it goes on very nice. So that's nice to have. And the last item that I know is full-sized is by Kinsey, and it's actually called Life Beat. And I actually looked at this. It is a perfume. That's the front. And then on the back it just has the beats. And I did smell it. It's more floral than anything. It's got a really floral kind of smell. It doesn't really tell you what kind of spray it's going to be either. Like it doesn't say on the back, oh, it's going to be very homey and cinnamony or something. But it does have a floral scent, and it's really refreshing. The next item in here, the last 4 items are all going to be sample sized. Let me get them out. This one is by New Body. It is Pina Colada Sugar Lip Polish, and it's just very small. It does smell like pina colada. I do like the sugar lip stuff. I do that. The next item is by Verb, and it says it's a hair mask. I do hair masks every single time I bake, actually. I know they say do them once a week. I actually do them more than once a week. My hair requires it. It's frizzy and dried out, so I do hair masks. And it's got a nice scent to it. It's hard to smell it past the perfume. I think I sprayed that a little bit much. This one is by Sursa Peptide. It's a cream. It says wrinkle sagging skin. I don't really know much about this. I'll have to look into it because it didn't have a box. Oh, it's by Dr. Hawkins. It says it's at the very bottom of the bottle. So I don't know. Maybe that'll be awesome. I have no idea. Like I said, there's not much on it. And the last thing is by Kismet. It's pure vitamin C primer. It looks like glitter. It's in a little small container. I'm going to assume that this is just a lot of things are sending me a lot of vitamin C stuff. It must be the in thing right now. I had 2 vitamin C items last time in this bag. I haven't really used it. That's nice. It's not a greasy primer either. So that'll be nice. Didn't look like it put a lot of grease on me or glitter or anything either. Even though it looks like it's got a lot of glitter in it. So, but that's my bag. Would I say that I got $50 worth of product? Yes, I would say that I got $50 worth of product. And a lot of it I will use. So I did like this bag. Usually this bag kind of disappoints me. I walk away with feeling like I didn't go in and spend $50, but this time I think I feel like I got my money's worth. But the links are in the description. And I do several different other kinds of videos. Usually I upload a lot more in the week, but I have been really tired. So, yeah, I hope to see you in the next video. And I got a mess. I'm trying to clean up the mess. Alright, I heart your face, and bye.